Hi friend, my name is Sarah Chansey and I'm the founder and creative director behind Chansey Charm. We're a national wedding planning and design firm with planners across the United States and love serving our clients internationally for their destination weddings. Today, I am really pumped to talk to you about one of my favorite topics for wedding planner marketing, and that is the beauty of the venue partnership. Now, if you're wondering what a venue partnership is, don't worry. I am so excited to share with you exactly what it is and why it's so important for your wedding planning business. So a venue partnership is simply that. It's a partnership or a relationship between a venue and a planner where they are mutually referring each other clients. It's actually a huge win for your clients because obviously you're not going to partner with a venue that doesn't align with your aesthetic, your brand, and that are not just top notch. I know at Chansey Charm, we are only partnering with venues that we really trust and believe in. And so it's a win when we refer a client to a venue partner because we know that their wedding's gonna go smoothly. It's also a huge win for your business because it's gonna help you get consistent leads in your inbox. And this is one of the most defeating hurdles for wedding planners out there who are trying to create a sustainable income, because it's no secret that hopefully you're not going to have a lot of wedding planning repeat business. And so getting leads in your inbox can feel like a never-ending cycle, like you're a hamster on a wheel. We don't want you to feel like that. So this is going to help get consistent leads in your inbox. I know for my team, it's been a game changer. I've seen planners really take off with having venue partnerships, building sustainable income that they can count on for themselves, for their family. It is a huge win all around. It alleviates stress for the client, for the planner, for the venue. It's just a really huge win for everyone involved, and I couldn't be more passionate about it. If you know me personally, which many of you watching these videos probably don't, but I am actually an introvert. So that next networking event that I have an Evite for in my inbox is causing me tons of anxiety. But a one-on-one relationship, I am great at that. I can really build some really trustworthy one-on-one relationships. But those networking events, that never-ending cycle of Evites, they give me all the anxiety because I'm just not going to shine at a networking event. But one-on-one relationships, I can do that. So I don't know if this sounds like you at all, but if it does, venue partnerships are for you, friend. They're gonna be game-changing. So now that I've explained to you just why I'm so passionate about venue partnerships, I would love to give you just a few key steps for actually obtaining a few of them. So the first is going to be making a list of like 3 or 4 venues that really align with your aesthetic and your target client. And those are going to be the venues you really pursue. And what you're going to want to do after you make that list is contact them and schedule a tour if you're not already familiar with their venue. But honestly, getting face-to-face, when has that ever hurt? So if you already know a venue, you can say, hey, I'd love to stop by. I really want to know your venue better. I want to know you better as a venue manager. So getting a face-to-face meeting is so key to this process because hello, you're adorable and so sweet and everyone loves you and you're trustworthy and you're a great planner and they should trust you with their clients. So get face to face with them. I'm constantly telling my team that. I'm like, you're so amazing. If that potential client or that venue partner or that vendor partner could just meet you, they would be just overwhelmed with how amazing you are and excited to partner with you. So getting face to face is super important. And then following that up with a very professional email that talks all about the potential venue partnership and why that's going to be amazing for them and all of the things involved with that venue partnership in terms of maybe you're going to do their open house every year and help them organize decorations or do a styled shoot or expose them to the 20 brides you talk to a year, whatever your kind of selling point is and your communication to them is at that point, just make sure it's very professional. It's showing you're putting your best foot forward, and you're also going to be showcasing your website and your Instagram via the links in your email. And it's just going to show that you are a good communicator, you are great at follow up, and hey, look at this awesome brand and all these people that I'm going to expose your venue to. So that is the kind of next step in securing a venue partnership. And then from there, it's just going to be consistency and following up and trying to make that relationship happen. It might not happen. It might happen instantly. It might not happen instantly, but just remaining consistent in reaching out to those 3 or 4 venues is how we've been able to obtain venue partnerships. And I promise it's just an amazing thing for your wedding planning business. It's really going to help you get leads in your inbox, which who doesn't need that? If you would like to see the full guide on what we do and what emails, the whole 9 yards about what we present to venue partners at Chancy Charm, I have a guide for that in my wedding planning training center, and I'd love for you to snag that. In the meantime, if you're looking for more ways to market your wedding planning business, check out my other videos, and I hope and pray that this is a blessing to your business.